Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2016 Jeep Renegade Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number E2233X. 34,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Renegade brand new, black in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Easy to operate touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Compass, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. And 4-wheel drive. Automatic transmission, manual shift capability, and lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Renegade has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Renegade, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.